We're Mette and Paul, founders of Coh&Co Copenhagen. We design, develop, and produce urban bicycles for everyday life. We're a lifestyle brand. We are rooted in design and material technology. And we have a company philosophy that is centered around circularity.
Everything in nature is a cycle, and so should it be with material goods. As a bicycle manufacturer, the cycle begins at identifying new markets and developing designs to meet their needs. We must also consider the life cycle of our new products. We need to A, create dynamic products that inspire our customers to make our bikes a part of their daily lives. B, choose and develop materials and technologies so we can take responsibility and ensure that our bikes can be manufactured, serviced, refurbished, and maintained. And thirdly, find a go-to-market strategy to onboard first movers so that our dealers have a foundation with which to build upon.
Cycling and better urban mobility are at the heart of the tool set we have available right now to solve some of society's biggest problems. We need to create better and more livable cities with our approach to design and everyday use of products. Our answer is dynamic, fun, inspirational riding experiences. Urban bikes should not only be practical, they should offer opportunities. Also, whilst commuting to work or picking up your kids. Daily transportation can become an adventure, and essentially, we think it's about creating dynamic bikes that people and dogs feel good riding. This is our selection.
Anna's dog sled style bed allows an adult or two kids to sit comfortably as though on a lawn chair. Eric's unique frame geometry has a smooth ride with a snappy performance. Mattis brings us from the realm of touring and into adventure. And our new Siggi weds the convenience and the acceleration of a small wheel folder with the performance of a road bike. Our frames are forged in a carbon fiber material. Combined with the unique geometries, they provide a great riding experience. Serviceability is also a design part of the customer experience. Thus, many of our product-specific components are modular and lend themselves to replacement or to upgrade.
So what value can we bring into the world when we bring a new product into the world to justify it? First, we create a circular business model. It's involving customers in the use and the reuse of a bike. Second, we use materials which extend the bike's life and reduce its own environmental impact. And third, we make bikes which by design can be recycled, refurbished, and reused for several life cycles. Recapture is our way of taking responsibility for the entire life cycle of our bicycles. Incentives and motivations are built into the program and affords the cyclist opportunities to take part in this process. Recapture is an ecosystem of its own.
Our frames are made of carbon fiber and basalt in our unique recyclable epoxy resin system. We are the first bicycle frame manufacturer to take a material with an otherwise disproportionately high carbon footprint and recycle it to provide a second generation material for afterlife products and components. Recyclability, however, is irrelevant without a structure and a motivation for customers and dealers to engage in the process. When bikes reach the end of their life, frames and components can be reclaimed and recycled. Our new folder Siggi is our first model to actually use recycled carbon fiber material in its components.
We've chosen to use crowdfunding as a platform for launching Siggi. Why and why now? Crowdfunding is not new at all, but it's opposed to early years of entrepreneurs starting from scratch. It's become a place where we can do fast market testing and product launches. There are obvious advantages for a small brand like ours to go down that route. One key aspect is the involvement of our existing community. Our dealers get the opportunity to pre-order and build engagement with their own customer base, and they become first ambassadors for a new and innovative product. Our existing community is already engaged and benefit from this early access opportunity.
Crowdfunding is a market analysis. Crowdfunding will help us determine interest before we invest in stock. Crowdfunding will provide a statistical understanding of which options are most appealing. Combined with dealer involvement, we can better understand who is capable of supporting the market niche and who needs a bit of support. Coh&Co is still a small company, and purchasing is essential to ensure structuring purchasing is essential to ensure costs don't spiral out of control. Crowdfunding will help us understand the sales demographics of our new product and streamline our supply chain. As a young brand, we need to focus our resources on a viable stock that can create value for our dealers, our customers, and our investors.
So summing up, what Coh&Co is about is creating dynamic designs that inspire our customers to an active everyday lifestyle, using materials and technology responsibly to ensure a sound ecosystem, and finally handling financing and market strategy sustainably for an optimized supply chain and clear market insights. And where does all this take us? The honest truth is we have no idea. We haven't done crowdfunding before, but we hope it will help us understand our product offerings better, scale volume faster, and build on an already engaged community.
Crowdfunding Siggi has led us down a road with a lot more focus on social media, video production, and digital strategy. Launching requires focusing dealers, investors, and partners on spreading the word before the campaign begins, generating an interest before they have stock. Crowdfunding can also be a tool to make sure that the bike is kitted as it should be, and streamlining production and purchasing when the campaign is complete. Here's the pitch. A successful crowdfunding campaign needs first movers to motivate first movers to attain critical mass. Crowdfunding will allow us to offer dealers incentives for investing and maintaining their interest and that of their publics.
Siggi will be launching on Indiegogo on the 21st of June. And in addition to our network of close to 40 dealers in 12 countries, we really want you guys to be part of the launch too. So share it with your friends and colleagues. Come up and talk to us afterwards. We'd love to invite you in for some early access. Thank you for listening.